Hi, I'm Chris, I'm from Magna, and in this video I'm going to show you how to get your hot water working properly again. If your taps aren't putting out hot water, it's normally related to the boiler not working, so first thing you would check is the boiler. See if the boiler is turned on the actual panel on the boiler or the fuse spur. If you've got a combination boiler and you've switched it back on, you should be getting hot water at the taps in 2 to 3 minutes. If you've got an error message or it's a system boiler, still no hot water, we need to come out and have a look. If your hot water isn't working in the colder time of the year, you may have a frozen condense pipe. To forate your condense pipe, you need to boil some hot water in the kettle, dilute it with some cold water to cool it down so you don't scald yourself, then pour it over the condense. It's important not to use boiling water from the kettle because this will crack your condense pipe. Wait a few minutes, reset the boiler, and if your hot water is still not working, get in contact with us. If your taps aren't putting out hot water and your condense isn't frozen, your boiler may need repressurizing. We have a video on our website which demonstrates this. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found it most useful. If you did, make sure you give us a follow so you don't miss out on any new videos.